Meaning of Elizabeth II.
Elizabeth II.
Elizabeth II.
Elizabeth II.
Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II is the current Queen of the United Kingdom and the Commonwealth realms, having ascended to the throne in 1952. Her full name is Elizabeth Alexandra Mary Windsor, and she is the longest reigning monarch in British history. As Queen, she represents the United Kingdom around the world and performs ceremonial duties such as opening Parliament and conferring honours. Despite her largely symbolic role, she remains a beloved figure and continues to inspire respect and admiration among her subjects and people around the world.